Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full tutorial on how to do Faux locks. On dreadlocks. This style is trendy, protective, and honestly just beautiful. This video is a full tutorial, so grab your tools and let's get into it. By the end, you will know exactly how to give your dreadlocks that fresh Faux locks look. Alright, step 1. Make sure your hair is clean and well moisturized. When your locks are fresh, everything just falls into place better. Plus, the Faux locks will blend seamlessly. We want smooth and healthy locks as our base, so make sure your hair is prepared or prepped well. Now, let's section the hair into parts. This part can be a bit tricky, but take your time. The section size depends on the look you're going for. If you want it to be really full, go for smaller sections. If you want it to be more natural and relaxed, that kind of natural and relaxed look, bigger sections are fine. Just make sure each section is even, so Faux locks will sit well. Once you've got your sections, take your Faux locks extensions and start wrapping it around the base of each dreadlock. Start close to the scalp and wrap the extension tightly around the dread, working your way down. You don't want it too tight though. Make sure you're comfortable so it's not pulling on your scalp. As you get to the end of each lock, twist the extension and tuck it into each other to secure tightly. Okay, let's keep wrapping and securing each lock. Remember, each lock needs love and attention, so don't rush. And while we are here wrapping, let's talk about something real. Life can be like this Faux locks process. Sometimes when you meet people, it's hard to truly know their intentions. It's like wrapping up each lock. You're putting in time and effort, but you're not always sure how it will turn out. And in life, people can seem good on the outside, but not show you what's truly inside. But just like these locks, you still have to keep trying, stay hopeful, and trust your process. Now that we are about halfway through, keep checking each lock to make sure the wraps are smooth and even. If you need a fuller look, go ahead and double up some of the sections to add volume. And as you go, add a bit of hair oil to keep your scalp moisturized and shiny. This will make the final look even more stunning. Life is a bit like these Faux locks. Honestly, we can't always see clearly through people or predict how things will end up, but that shouldn't stop us from moving forward. People will show you different sides. Some might even disappoint you, but that doesn't mean you give up on seeing the good. Just like we are wrapping each locks patiently, we have to be patient in life too, putting in the effort and trusting that the end result will come out beautiful. Alright, almost there. Keep wrapping lock by lock, making sure everything is even and secure. You want your locks to look good from all angles, so keep checking each one. And if you want to add a bit more, style, you can have a few strands loose and add some hair cuffs or beads, anyhow you want it. Little touches like that make it more personal and unique. As we finish up, it's time to look in the mirror and adjust any sections that might feel loose or uneven. Use a bit of edge control on your baby hairs if you like, to give it that polished finish. Don't forget the sheen spray. Spray a little all over for that final shine. It will make the whole style pop. I'll leave you now to watch, then I'll talk to you again later at the end of the video to drop an important point that will leave with you.
You said that been searching, silencing my mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way.
And there you have it, first locks on dreadlocks, from start to finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. And let us know in the comments if you will try this style or have any questions. Remember, just like with people, even if things look hard or uncertain, don't stop putting in the effort. Life, just like these locs, rewards patience and persistence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand